A murder investigation is underway after a 39-year-old man was shot dead in Dún Laoghaire in County Dublin. It happened at around 8:30 a.m. at Patrician Park. The scene remains sealed off this evening.
The area cordoned off where this shooting happened this morning. Gardaí were alerted to an incident here at Patrician Park on Kill Avenue at around 8:30 a.m. A man was found to have sustained fatal injuries after being shot outside a premises along this road. The area was immediately cordoned off and a Garda investigation was launched. Local residents have been reacting to the serious incident which happened near to their home.
And I was bringing my wife down to the church. And then as I was coming back up, I saw what was happening there, and the ambulance had gone up there. The guard has gone in there in the car.
So I walked the dog this morning, everything was normal. It was about 7:30 when I walked and got back shortly after 8. And then I just heard somebody put it up in the WhatsApp group that there had been an incident, that somebody was shot. Yeah, it's pretty scary. It's so close to home, it's just literally around the corner.
The body of the victim was taken from the scene this afternoon and a post-mortem examination is due to take place. An examination of the scene of the shooting is being carried out by the Garda Technical Bureau and the road remains sealed off on this part of Kill Avenue. Councillors have said there is a sense of shock and anxiousness in the aftermath of this shooting.
It's deeply shocking and my condolences to the victim's family, and I hope they arrest the perpetrator very soon.
No arrests have been made and Gardaí are appealing for witnesses.
Well, our reporter Karen Creed is still at the scene for us this evening. Karen, what's the latest?
Well, Sharon, as you can probably see me, the scene of the crime behind me remains sealed off and there is still a Garda presence here this evening. Now, Gardaí are investigating all the circumstances surrounding this death, including the possibility that it may be drug-related. It is early stages in this investigation, of course, and Gardaí are carrying out door-to-door inquiries. They're appealing for witnesses and they're also in particular asking for anyone with dashcam footage who may have been driving around this area of Kill Avenue between 8 and 9 o'clock this morning when this shooting happened. Now, the man who died, the 39-year-old, his body removed from the scene earlier and he's not being named yet, but it's understood that he is from the South Dublin area. As for the area where this incident has happened, there is understandable shock, a lot of distress among people who describe it as a quiet residential area with a lot of young families and older people living here too. And the effect of it was evident today as you could see people moving children away from the cordoned off area when they realised what had happened. Councillors here who I've been speaking to, they're also reflecting that sentiment of distress here in this area of Dún Laoghaire this evening, saying that a tragedy of this nature, they have not seen it for decades here and there is immense shock.
Karen, thank you.